Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how you can remove an admin from your Facebook page. So how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and let's find out. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, then you need to switch to the page, the Facebook page that you want to remove an admin from. So you need to tap here, and from here you need to tap on switch. So now I am on that page that I want to remove an admin from. From here, you need to tap on the menu again. You need to scroll down where you will find setting and privacy. From setting and privacy, you need to tap on settings. In setting, you need to scroll down where you will find page setup. You need to tap on that one. From here, you need to tap on page access. Once you tap on here, this is me and I want to remove this person from my Facebook page admin. So I want to remove it. You need to tap on the three dots here. Once you tap on the three dots right at the bottom, as you can see, you can view the access, that how many things or how many permission this person have, or I just want to remove this person from the page. So I will just tap on remove. And from here, you need to enter your profile password first. So once you type in your password, all you need to do is to tap on confirm. So once you tap on confirm, they will send an email to your Gmail account or any email account which is associated with this account on Facebook. So once you find your code in your email, then you need to enter your code here and then tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, here as you can see, the person has been removed from this page. The admin has been removed. So guys, this is all it takes to remove an admin from your Facebook page. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.